quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to add or load subtitles in KMPlayer. Whether your subtitles aren't showing or you just want to add them manually, I've got you covered. First, make sure your subtitle file and your video file have the exact same name and keep them in the same folder. For example, if your video is named movie.mp4, your subtitle should be movie.srt. Now open the video in KMPlayer. Right click anywhere on the screen and go to subtitle track. You will see a list of available subtitle files. In my case, I have one in French, so I will select that, and as you can see, the subtitle appear instantly. That's super simple. If your subtitles don't load automatically, you can also add them manually. So right click on the video again, go to subtitles, then select load subtitles from the next menu. Now browse your device, select the subtitle file you want to use and click open. The subtitles will appear right away. No extra setup needed. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.